If you've ever struggled with getting your lead data into Salesforce, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to import leads using the Data Import Wizard, step by step, so you can skip the confusion and get straight to results. Before we jump into Salesforce, start with your file. Your lead data should be saved in a CSV, or comma-separated values format. This keeps everything neatly aligned so Salesforce can read it without issues. Take a moment to double-check your spreadsheet, names, emails, phone numbers, company fields. Make sure everything is accurate and consistent. Catching mistakes now saves you a major headache later. Once your CSV is ready, log into your Salesforce account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and choose Advanced Setup. This brings you into the back end where all the configuration magic happens. On the left side, you'll see the Quick Find search bar. Type Data Import Wizard and then click the option that appears. The wizard is a built-in tool Salesforce provides to make uploading data incredibly simple, even if you're not technical. Inside the wizard, look for Import My Data. Click that, and Salesforce will ask which type of records you're bringing in. Since we're working with leads, select Leads from the menu. If your file includes a mix of individuals and companies, choose whichever label best represents most of your entries. Salesforce gives you flexible options like other companies or individuals to help keep everything organized. Next, select I have a CSV file, then upload the same file you prepared earlier. Pick carefully. This is the data that's going straight into your Salesforce database. Now comes one of the most important steps, field mapping. Salesforce will show you each column from your CSV and ask you to match it to the correct Salesforce field, like first name, last name, company, email, and so on. Take a moment to pair these correctly. Clean mapping ensures all your leads land exactly where they're supposed to, without missing details or mixed up information. Once everything looks right, hit Import. The Data Import Wizard will process your file behind the scenes and notify you when it's finished. When the import completes, review the new leads to make sure everything came through correctly. Spot checking here goes a long way toward keeping your CRM clean and reliable. And that's it. Your leads are now in Salesforce without any manual data entry or complicated tools. This workflow not only saves a ton of time, but also reduces errors and keeps your database structured and ready to use. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more Salesforce tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.